Welcome to Testing Advices. So in previous video we have learned about log generation. Now in this video we will learn about capturing images for failed scenarios and storing them inside the framework. So the first thing which we will do is we'll create a class and we'll name it as screenshot. Now the first thing which we will do inside this, let's assign the driver actions object to null value, and here we will create a parameterized method which will not return anything and we'll name it as get screenshot. In which we'll pass on the webdriver object. Now let's copy this we have this date. The next thing which we will do is file source file is equal to, so this is the code for the text screenshot. Okay, so they have predefined code for this that we need to insert within this method. So just follow as it is, gets screenshot as, and it will be an output file. So output type dot file. String image path is equal to constant. Now here we'll define one keyword inside the constant class which will capture the screenshot. So this is nothing but the path of the captured screenshot. Public static final string, we'll name it as screenshot path, which is equal to, in double quotes, screenshots. Now in this, again in this particular method, let's see. Okay, so it shows the screenshot path selection. Now after this we need to insert the date. So double slash, then again we can have the date within this. So date underscore, we'll name it as image.png. Okay, the last thing which we'll do is we'll use predefined file utils package dot copy file. So it will be nothing but source file to the destination file, and this destination file will be the new file each and every time. So we'll use the keyword new, and this is nothing but the image path. Okay, so let's browse this file. Import text screenshots. So it is showing us the error. So let's see. Okay, add throws declaration. So done. So the next thing which we will do is we'll go to the base step where we have this after method, and when the scenario is failed, in this particular case what we will do is scenario dot embed, and we'll require that takes screenshot. Okay, so takes screenshot, here we have webdriver dot get screenshot as output type the extension will be dot .png. So after this, the last thing which we will do is, now in hidden steps at the start, we'll define or we'll create the object for the screenshot class. So screenshot s is equal to new screenshot, and in this catch what we'll do is e dot print stack trace, then s dot get screenshot, and within this we'll have driver actions dot get driver instance. So we'll try to capture that particular instance, and here we'll throw an error, log dot error, throwable dot get stack trace will get it as a string, and within this will pass the exception object, that is E. And here we'll try to get the message within that particular exception. Let me remove this thing. So we need to paste this for each and every catch block. Okay. Now the only way it will save the screenshot when we have some failed test cases. So what we will do in this hidden steps, we have this hidden page object. So within this, so for this multi-city button, let me copy this, paste, comment out the correct page object, and here let's remove this. So now in this particular case there is no ID with the name multi, so obviously it will fail and it will capture the screenshot. Now let's try to run this. So the first thing which we will do is refresh the project. So we are performing this clean activity, then the refresh, and now go to this main runner, run as ju testng suite. So it won't be able to find that multi-city button because we have updated the page object. So yes, so we have catch the exception. Okay. So now the next thing what we will do is we'll refresh. So first let me show you, there is no folder with the name screenshot. So let me refresh. Okay, so as you can see, this screenshot folder is generated. Let's open, and here is the image file. So if I click on this, so as you can see, it has captured the screenshot. Okay, so guys, this is how you need to capture the screenshots, and within this particular folder all the failed screenshots will be saved. Okay, so to summarize this particular phase, in this we have learned about running multiple test cases and debugging. Then we have learned about the log generation. So here we have generated this log file. So if I check this log file, so you can see the date and timestamp, here. Okay, then the exceptions which is called, and the scenario is failed. Okay, so it has successfully captured all the data within the logs as well. And the last thing which we have learned in this particular phase is capturing this screenshot for the failed scenarios. Now in the next phase we will learn about continuous integration. Okay, thanks for watching the video.